Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and gear you need. Today, we're talking about the Makita T-04282 Advanced ANSI 2 Impact-Rated Demolition Gloves. Hands down the best Makita gloves you can find. Whether you're tackling a demolition project or working on a construction site, these gloves are designed to provide you with the protection, comfort, and durability you need. These gloves feature a high-performance design, built to keep your hands safe from abrasions, cuts, and impacts. With an ANSI ISEA Impact Rated Level 2 certification, they offer up to 20% more thermoplastic rubber for increased impact protection. This is especially important when you're working with heavy machinery or sharp tools. No matter how tough the job gets, these gloves have got your back. One of the standout features of the Makita T-04282 gloves is their touchscreen compatibility. You no longer need to take off your gloves to use your phone or tablet, which is a game changer for anyone who needs to stay connected on the job. Whether it's checking a blueprint or making a quick call, these gloves keep you covered without compromising your safety. The gloves are also machine washable, making it easier than ever to keep them clean and ready for the next project. And don't worry about losing your grip. These gloves offer exceptional abrasion resistance, ensuring that you can grip tools and materials securely, even in the toughest conditions. When it comes to comfort, the Makita T-04282 gloves are made with a combination of synthetic leather and knitted fabric, offering the perfect balance of flexibility and protection. Whether you're lifting, gripping, or maneuvering, these gloves allow for maximum dexterity while maintaining high levels of durability. The gloves are designed with a reinforced palm and strategically placed padding to reduce stress on your hands during extended use, which is crucial for all-day jobs. They're also available in multiple sizes to ensure a snug and comfortable fit for every worker. So, if you're looking for gloves that provide top-notch impact protection, comfort, and durability, the Makita T-04282 Advanced ANSI 2 Impact-Rated Demolition Gloves are the best option for you. No matter the project, these gloves will keep your hands safe and your productivity high. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best gear on the market.